Imagine having a best friend who never sleeps, knows exactly what you need before you even ask. Now, what if I told you that this friend isn't a human at all, but a highly advanced line of code? Imagine having a best friend who never sleeps, knows exactly what you need before you even ask, and perfectly manages your chaotic schedule.
What if I told you that this friend isn't human? Hey everyone, welcome back. Your next best friend might be code. This will completely change our lives. Imagine an AI assistant that anticipates your needs. At work, it streamlines your workflows, and at home, it suggests recipes from your fridge.
But here is the mind-blowing part. Future AI will converse effortlessly, adapting to your tone, context, and mood, responding with genuine empathy. This is AI that connects. As these agents learn from you daily, they will refine their understanding. These agents are simply powerful tools designed to make our lives easier, and maybe even a little less lonely. So, would you treat an AI like a friend? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe, and click on the recommended video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.